The final stage in the journey of a pharmaceutical product, and a critical one for ensuring its safety, efficacy, and patient accessibility, is packaging. More than just containment, pharmaceutical packaging is a sophisticated process involving careful selection of materials and precise automation to protect the medication and provide essential information. Understanding the intricacies of pharmaceutical packaging is crucial for delivering quality products to patients. Why is pharmaceutical packaging so vital? Firstly, it provides protection against environmental factors like moisture, oxygen, light, and microbial contamination, safeguarding the drug's integrity and extending its shelf life. Secondly, it ensures product identification through clear labeling, including the drug name, strength, dosage form, batch number, and expiry date, preventing medication errors. Thirdly, packaging offers tamper evidence, assuring patients that the product has not been compromised. Finally, it facilitates patient compliance through user-friendly designs, child-resistant features where necessary, and clear instructions for use. The pharmaceutical packaging process encompasses a diverse range of activities and materials. Primary packaging refers to the materials in direct contact with the drug product, such as blister packs, bottles, vials, and sachets. The selection of these materials, including plastics, glass, and aluminum, is based on their compatibility with the drug, barrier properties, and regulatory requirements. Secondary packaging, such as cartons and boxes, provides additional protection and contains the primary packaging along with labeling and package inserts. Tertiary packaging involves bulk handling and transportation, ensuring the integrity of the product during distribution. The packaging process itself is often highly automated, involving sophisticated machinery for filling, sealing, labeling, and cartoning. For solid dosage forms like tablets and capsules, blister packaging machines form individual cavities, fill them with the product, and then seal them with a lidding material. Bottling lines involve filling containers with liquids or solids, inserting stoppers and caps, and then labeling them. Injectable products require sterile filling and sealing processes within controlled environments. Throughout these processes, accuracy and precision are paramount to ensure correct fill weights, proper sealing, and accurate labeling. Quality control is an integral part of pharmaceutical packaging. This includes rigorous checks on the integrity of the packaging materials, the accuracy of labeling, the security of seals, and the functionality of any special features like child-resistant closures. Automated vision systems are often employed to inspect for defects such as missing tablets, incorrect labels, or damaged packaging. Compliance with stringent regulatory requirements regarding packaging materials, labeling standards, and child safety features is essential. Effective pharmaceutical packaging is not just about containing the product. It's about safeguarding its quality, ensuring patient safety, and providing the necessary information for its correct and effective use. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.